Hey everyone, it's Jonathan. Today we will be reviewing this LED desk lamp. So let's go ahead and unbox this and review this product. So let's go ahead and unbox this and I will show you the parts list for this lamp. Right here is the clamp for your desk. This is the power supply and you have the lamp itself here. So what I like about this lamp and what attracted me to it was I have the ability to clamp it to my desk and it's very flexible. And now I'm going to demonstrate while I'm talking, assembling this together, which is real easy. You just take the screw out and put it back into place after you have put the part together, the same way with the clamp. But what I like about this lamp is it's flexible. It's got a gooseneck, flexible head, so I can turn it any way that I want while it's attached to my desk, which is really nice. Also, I like that it has the different brightness settings on it. And speaking of the color, I mean it has the color modes, as you see here, me changing the different colors. And I like that I can dim it as well. So if I just want to like read and I want like real bright light, I can have the dim light on my desk if I'm reading. It can provide up to 2400 lumens of lighting, which is very, very bright. So no Blu-ray for eye protection. It does not flicker. So this is some more really nice features of this light. So the seller sent this out to me to review, and I happily obliged to give my honest opinion. And my honest opinion is it's a really, really good light. It's high quality. I love that you can change the brightness and the color modes, and you can turn this off with just one tap of your fingers. Real easy to operate. I like how you can fold the light blades out to different angles. It has the gooseneck adjustable head on it. I really like that. So if you're looking for a high quality desk lamp, I would definitely recommend you checking this one out. Thanks for watching.